So the first thing you want to do is preheat the oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 120 degrees Celsius. Then while that is preheating, you're going to take your egg whites, pour that into your bowl, and we're just going to whisk that really fast so it gets nice and kind of bubbly, but you don't want it to be like a meringue consistency, so don't overmix it. As you can see, that's really nice and bubbly in there. That's exactly what you want. So now we're going to take our sweetener. So today, like always, I'm using Lakanto Monkfruit sweetener. I just feel like it tastes the best, but you can use whatever brand you like. It totally doesn't really matter as long as it's keto friendly. So go ahead and put that in. This is the Granular. And then I'm also going to add some of the golden type, which is kind of like raw sugar in a way. It has a bit of a different flavor to it. Not too much though. So if you don't have it, you can just substitute for extra granular monk fruit sweetener. Perfect. Now we're gonna whisk that in. Whew. It's made kind of like a frosting. Looks good. Okay, now I'm going to add my cinnamon. Cinnamon is my favorite spice. And in this specific recipe, it just tastes so amazing. It's that typical warm, cozy kind of feeling. So I'm just gonna mix that in. Now we're going to add in our vanilla. Perfect. Whisk it in. My hand kind of hurts. Ah! All right. Looks good to me. Now, okay, some of you might be thinking, especially if you have made like candied almonds before, they'll be like, you know, you should really whisk the egg and then put the almonds in and then put the rest of the ingredients in. Well, I accidentally did it this way one time and I totally messed it up, but I actually found out that it works better this way. In my personal opinion, it helps really stick together. Every single little bit of sweetener or cinnamon and like the vanilla flavor really just sticks onto all of those almonds so much better. So don't knock it till you try it. All right, in saying that, we're going to take our almonds. So I went ahead and put them into my bowl and you're just gonna throw them in, I guess. Like that. Now, oop, I can put this away. You're gonna need a spatula, silicone spatula preferably, those are the best in my opinion. And you're just going to fold it all in, really nicely coating all of those almonds. And now I'm going to take my giant baking tray. Yeah. Now I'm going to put the almonds down on the baking tray. Now, unfortunately, I've run out of baking paper. So I'm just gonna put it directly on the tray, but use baking paper if you can. It's less messy. Okay. You want some good space in between each almond, just to really let it breathe, let it all cook through. You don't want clumps because then they'll cook unevenly compared to the ones that are kind of by themselves. I could be here for ages just flattening these, so I think that'll do. Now I'm going to put them in the oven for about 20 minutes, then I'm gonna check on them, kind of give them a bit of a toss around. You don't wanna just completely let them sit for an hour in the oven because one side will be burnt and they just won't cook all the way through. Then put them back in for maybe another 20 minutes and just keep doing that until it's kind of been about an hour. and you'll just kind of tell that the outside's a little bit crispy. They won't be fully crisp because when they're still really hot, they're going to be still kind of sticky. So make sure you remember that and you take them out before they burn and you just let them sit on the countertop for maybe about 10 minutes till they really cool down a little bit. Before I put them in the oven, grab some flaky sea salt and just sprinkle it on top of your almonds. It adds a really nice saltiness to them, kind of like that sweet salty combo. I love that. Let's put them in the oven. They're done. So I let them cool down for about 10 minutes and they're nice and warm still. So I'm gonna try them. Perfect. Perfect amount of sweetness to saltiness, perfect amount of cinnamon, and they are absolutely delicious. These are something that you could probably gift your friend that isn't keto friendly and they would have no idea these are keto friendly almonds. So you would be helping them by reducing their sugar count and giving them something super tasty. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I do. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video if you have any future video suggestions for me, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos just like this one. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. See you later.